In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default font size in AOL Mail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is sign into AOL Mail and select the settings button up in the top right, and then go down and select where it says more settings. On the left panel, select writing email. Just scroll down on this center panel, and then where it says default rich text font, click the drop down next to the font size, and you can select a different size and it'll preview it over on the right, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.